Nowadays, we get diseases because of overeating, not because of starvation. Lifestyle changes, non-communicable diseases are mainly seen by us in the practice. Unhealthy behaviors and partly by other factors are the causes. Next. Junk foods, consumption of animal fat, lack of sedentary, lack of physical activity, smoking, environmental pollution, stress. All these things we are going to hear this again and again today. Any disease samprati, ama, kavairunyam, malasanchayam, kledam, abhishanti. These are all the factors we talk about. You will be hearing Dr. Bobo Mar's view on kledam wonderfully. Even I have learned that from him. Next. Now, some of the lifestyle disorders, obesity, diabetes, heart disease, stroke, hypertension, cancer. Next. COPD, allergies, hearing problem, depression, anxiety, Alzheimer's, chronic backaches. Next. Heart diseases. When I started my career, I thought Vata Vyadhis are treated well by Ayurvedic doctors like rheumatoid, seronegative arthropathy, gouty arthritis, psoriatic arthritis. After becoming experienced in the treatment, I feel there are other areas where we potentially can contribute, including heart disease, rhythm abnormalities of heart. We can contribute a lot. Many cancers, tongue cancer, testicular cancer, are almost curable. Diabetes, we can manage type 2 up to some extent. Liver is another potential area, non-alcoholic steatohepatitis. It's another area where we can contribute. Next. There are reversible and irreversible diseases. Obesity, dyslipidemia are up to some extent reversible. Reversing is very rare. Very remote possibility. Alzheimer's disease, starting Medhyasana in early age. It's very good. Next. Most of the degenerative diseases are Vata Kapha in nature. My Guru M.R. Vasudevan Namboodirji sir used to say, practice, probably you would have heard, as I am coming to Pune, after a long time I am repeating it. For Vata, you have certain rasas. Pitta, you have certain rasas. Vata, Pitta, Madhura rasa is there. Pitta Kashmir is there. For Vata Kapha, there are no rasas. There are only Vidya, Chitrakam, Tuvagam, Balladagam, Lashunam, Gomutram. All are Vata Kaphagara in nature. These Vata Kaphagara Aushadas are commonly used in practice. Gataravastadi Kashayam, Vaishwanaram, Anulomanam, Avaranandana Chikisa, like Lashuna Rasayanam, Vardhamana Vipari are becoming more and more in our practice. The usage of Pidichal, Kaya Seka, Shirovasti, Santika Pindaseda, Kshiravasti are coming down in practice. This indicates that the Vada Kapha Avarana, the Sita Vritti, Snikta Vritti, Avishanta Vritti, Kreta Vritti is having great importance in current day pathology and we are targeting that. Next. Cancer. Next. Probably you would have heard this slogan from Charaka Samhita, Sharira Avayavastu Paramana Vedena Aparisankhya Pavanti, Adi Bahutvad, Adi Sautmyad, Adi Triyachvadaja, Tesham Samyoga Vibhage Paramanam Karanam Vayu Karma Svabhavasya. Vayu is the cause for multiplication. Karma is a slow-acting virus which has got a longer incubation period. Swabhava, there is an inherited genetic code for getting cancer. Next. Multiplication, Vayu Vibhajati is produced by Vayu. Prasana Avastha can be correlated to metastasis phase of cancer. Next. In Dhatu pathology, our acharyas have told these many Dhatu pathologies in the text. I have summarized it. Dhatu Vriddhi, Staulyam. Dhatu Kshayam, Radhayakshma. Dhatu Dushti, Vriddhi and Kshaya. Pittam Vidattam Sogunaihi Vidadatyas Sonidam. All autoimmune diseases, Raktapittam, etc. Dhatu Bhagam, Jaram. Dhatu Saidhilyam, Dhadunam cha Saidhilyata, Prameham Pandu. Dhatu Asamahatvam, Sofa. So these are all the various Dhatu Dushtis told in the text. Next. Now we will see a case. Recurrent squamous cell carcinoma of the tongue. How we have treated. Next. Lifestyle disorder produced by tobacco abuse. Next. 65-year-old man, a chronic tobacco smoker, presented with a lump in the right lateral aspect of the tongue. He had difficulty swallowing, dryness. Long-standing wound not responding to the treatment, biopsy taken, biopsy proved, squamous cell carcinoma stage 1. Next. This patient had been diagnosed 2 years earlier with grade 2 squamous cell carcinoma, anterior two-tail of the tongue, presenting with swelling in the lateral aspect of the tongue. Next. Treatment. He was treated surgically with excision, then underwent intensity modulated radiation therapy. Then again after 3 months, the disease came. Next. You are seeing the lesion. Next. Biopsy shows moderately differentiated grade 3 squamous cell carcinoma. Biopsy from the tongue. Next. Taken from Apollo Hospital. See, your tongue is the Kapasthana. Rakta Dushti has taken place in Kapasthana. So, Pittahara, Vranaromana, Rakta Prasadana Aushadha has to be selected. When we have to treat Pittahara Chikisa, Kashaya Pitta Maduram Pitta Manyetu Gurvade. In Kevala Pitta, we will be giving Pitta Rasa. For example, in Jara, we will be giving Guduchari. In Kafanabandha Pitta, Kapamisnigdha, Pittamisnigdha, we will be giving Ruksha, we will be giving Kashaya Rasa, Arakvadadi, Nekrodadi, we will be giving. In Madhura Rasa, Vadanabandha Pitta, we will be giving Madhura Rasa. Madhura Rasam is ruled out here because it is Kreda Vardhana. Madhuram cannot be started in the therapy in Vadapitta Avastha. We should end the treatment with Madhura Rasa. Moreover, Madhuram is not having Vranaromana property. So we are selecting Kashaya Rasa, Pitta Rasa Aushadhas in the first phase in this case. Sthanika dosham is Kapam, Agandaka dosham is Pittam, Sthanika dosham is Snigdam, Agandaka dosham is Snigdam. So we have to select a Ruksha Rasa. Kashaya and Tikta are Ruksha Rasa. Kashaya is having Vranaromana property, Tikta is having Amavasana property, Madhuram is Brahmanam Kreda Vardhanam. Because of the usage of Pitta Rasa and Kashaya Rasa, there will be Vada Vriddhi. So we have to end the treatment with Madhura Rasa in these oral cancer cases. Next. Then Rasayana, Roganam Apunar Bhave. To prevent the remission and relapse, we have to do Rasayana. I have talked about Tikta Rasa. Tiktam is the best Rasa for a diseased person. That is why in Jwara Chikitsa, Tiktam has been given importance. Madhuram is the best Rasa for a healthy person. That is why in Uttama Rudus, Hemantam and Shishiram, Madhuram has been given importance. As a practitioner, Tiktam, Madhuram, Kadu are the 3 rasas that are having very great utility than other rasas. Other rasas are having selective utility. Next. I have selected Arakvadadi Kashaya. Arakvadadi Kashaya, Ashtanga Hridayam, Gana Pradhanam, Kashaya Rasam, Tikta Rasam, Kadu Rasam, Dushta Vranagara. Then Saptatsadadi Kashaya, Ashtanga Hridayam, Mogaloma Chikitsa. Tikta Rasam, Kashaya Rasam, Saptatsada, Ushida, Padala, Musta, Haridagi, Kadurogini, Arakvada, Chandana. All all Kashaya Rasa, only one Madhura Rasa. The only one Madhura Rasa is Yashti Madhu. Yashti Madhu and Grida are the Madhura Rasa Dravyas which are having Vranaravana property. So Yashti Madhu is there. We have the end treatment with the Yashti Madhu. Next. Then another Siddha medicine called Van Medicine. It contains pitta reducing chemotherapeutic natural Rasa Aushadha. It was given with coconut water. Next. Then there was a Gridam called Manikya Gridam. It is told in Nigandus. The main ingredient is Gajavipari, Laksha and coconut milk. Again, Kashaya Rasa, Madhura Rasa, Silaviryam, Vranarovana Aushadhas. The botanical name is Phyla noduliflora. It is called Gajavipari. Probably in Brihattara's utility was not there. About 13th century literature, the availability is more. Next. This is the plant. Next. Then gargling. You can do Saptachadari gargling, Triphala gargling, Aranvaladi gargling. I have done Kadushan with Kadirasara, Pugam, Arjuna, Triphala, Sodhida Gairigam, Sodhida Spadiyam, Asprakshepam. Next. Then Yashti Madhu, the treatment entered with Madhura Rasa, Yashti Madhu, and you can give Shatarauga Gridam, with Gridam, Mahadikta Gridam, you can give. Next. Then after that, Mahadikta Gridam, honey and Gridam should not be added in equal quantity. Triphala are given for a long period. Vidara Surnam and Kalaga Surnam can be used externally. Next. Kalaga Surnam contains Swarnamakshiyam. It is a safe medicine. Pilaga Surnam contains Haridalam and Ganashila. All are from Ashtanga only. So it has to be used very carefully externally, followed by Kandusha. Next. Now you see, injury is completely cured. Next. Now my name is there. It was sent to Apollo. Put that. Positive. Mucosa with hyperkeratosis and chronic lichenoid inflammation. Negative for malignancy. Biopsy from white patch of the floor of the mouth. Void excision. Mucosa with ulceration and chronic inflammation. Negative for malignancy. Biopsy from tongue. So Ayurvedically, it is one of the lifestyle disorders. We are treating tongue cancers with our own principles successfully. Conclusion. Next. Tobacco, alcohol should be avoided. Betel chewing should be avoided. Next. Stage 2 insinuation, tongue cancer. Stage 2 tongue cancer insinuation without metastasis can be very successfully treated with Ayurveda. Next. That is the summary. Next slide. Now we are seeing a hepatocellular carcinoma. Next. 53-year-old man with hepatitis K, no alcoholic, is having right hypochondrial pain, elevated LFT, OT greater than PT, mild elevation of bilirubin, increased elevation of alkaline phosphatase and gamma GT. Alpha fetoprotein was very high. Any cirrhosis liver, if you find a mass, you should think about hepatoma, hepatocellular carcinoma. The liver hepatic lobe accompanied with cirrhotic changes. Next. There is no esophageal hepatic encephalopathy or esophageal varices. Next. So, in this case, how will you treat? The Sthanika dosham is Yagrit. Yagrit, Pitta and Rekta. The Granthi is Kapha. Pittam is Snigdam, Kapham is Snigdam. So you have to give Ruksha Virejana in this case. Medicines derived from Kamala, Pandu, Sopa, Udara Chikitsa are incorporated. We have to do Nadi Snigdam Virejaye. We have to do Virejana in Pitta disease. Virejana you will do with Tikta Rasa. There is Shodana Dikta and Samana Dikta. Padola Mulari, Padola Kadurovinyadi, Vasa Uduchyadi, Privrit Churnam, Kalyana Gurulam are Dikta Shodana Mushadas. Uduchyadi, Shadangam, all these things are Tamana Samana Dikta. Kappa is Guru Snigdha and Banda. Pitta is Snigdha. Ruksha Dikta Aushadas are selected. Shodana Kriya of Pitta is Vedana. As Pitta is Snigdha, Ruksha Vedana is selected. If there is no esophageal varices, if there is no portal hypertension, Vardhamana Vipari is the best Rasayana. Shilajit is also a good Rasayana, but as a practitioner, there is no reliability of good Shilajit. So we have to depend on Vardhamana Vipari with Kimshilapatra Kshara. Next. So, Vasa Uduchyadi, Tiktarasam, Kshaudra Yuktam, Kaniya Panchamula Paniyam, Abhipati Churnam Vedanam at Kapha Jirna Rala, morning 9 o'clock with hot water. Next. Intermittently, Tiktarasa increases Vadabhava, then Madhurarasam, Yakrit Visheshana Dravyas like Prithvi Valishayam, Drakshadilenium, Gudavipuri are given. Next. Kaudajantraphala is a very good yoga. Nowadays it is very difficult to prepare. It is told in Ashtanga Hridaya, Pandujigisa, Shilajit is a problem. Next. You see the mass here, hepatocellular carcinoma with elevated alpha fetoprotein. In a case of known hepatitis B with the cirrhosis. Next. You see the mass here, irregular borders. Next. After the treatment, the patient is stable, LFT has come down, he is slightly anemic, and there is fibrous lesion of the mass. Next. CT was repeated. Next. Hepatocellular carcinoma in situation without malignancy, stage 1 and stage 2, associated with NASH, associated with hepatitis B and C, are very well manageable through Ayurveda. Next. Now you see a very interesting case. This is NASH cirrhosis. Name of the patient. Next. He came with swelling of the feet, edema, abdominal swelling, increased abdominal adiposity, very poor appetite, fatigue, shortness of breath, gynecomastia, scrotal swelling. This is the presenting complaint. Next. Nothing significant. Next. Next. No smoking, no alcohol, so non-alcoholic liver disease. One of the very common lifestyle disorder. Next. 101 kilos. Next. Obesity is an independent risk factor for NASH. Weight reduction and low carbohydrate diet only they are talking again and again. Next. Reports. Next. HB is okay. Next. SGPT is higher than OT. OT is higher than PT. OT-PT ratio is greater than 2. Alkaline phosphatase is high. Next. Next. Bilirubin is high, 2.53. Direct bilirubin should be 0.3. It is 1.1. SGOT is 84. Next. SGPT is 63. Next. Alkaline phosphatase is slightly high. Bilirubin is seen in jaundice. PTOT is usually seen in hepatocellular damage. Alkaline phosphatase in obstructive disease. GGT in alcoholic liver disease. If you see Padola Mulari Kashayam in Ashtanga and Kushta, they are asking you to give it for 6 days. In 6 days, Shatratra Prayoga, they are telling you have to give Jangala Mamsa Rasa Anupana. If you are not giving that Anupana, the utility is waste, because in all these liver cirrhosis cases, They are associated with hypoalbuminemia and hypoproteinemia. In hypoproteinemia, the muscle protein Jangala Mamsarasam suits very well. That is why in Padola Muradi, if you want to give Padola Muradi, you should give that same Anubhan only as per our Shastra. Now coming to the liver, there are certain diseases where the dosha classification is not mentioned. But liver disease starts with Kapha Yakrut Roga, Pitta Yakrut Roga, Vata Yakrut Roga. The Kapha Yakrut Roga is NASH. So Kapha Haram, Kadurasam, Yakrut Visheshatvam, Pippari. Then you will develop into hepatitis. Pitta Yakrut Roga, where Pitta Rasam has been given importance. Pitta is Pitta Samana, Snigdha Hara, Rukshana. Kapha Hara also. So Padoladi, Padorovinyadi, your Arogyavardhani contains Kadurovini Prayogam, Trivrit, all these things. Then Vata Yakrut Roga, where it becomes fibrosis and cirrhosis, where the Ruksha Vriddhi takes place, where you have to treat the liver condition with Madhura Rasa. The Madhura Rasam Yakrut Visheshan is Drakshadi, Mritvigadi. So you start with Kadurasa and end with Madhura Rasa. First I told Vada Kamagaram, Kadurasam you have to treat. You start with Tippadi and you end with Drakshadi. So next slide. Globally, gamma GT is very high. Next. Liver shows chronic parenchymal disease, splenomegaly, post-systolic collateral, ascites with portal hypertension. Next. Inguinal lymphadenopathy, reactive lymphadenopathy, pleural effusion. Next. Cytology. Next. See his patient. Next. Egudodara, chronic parenchymal liver disease. Next. Next. Normal liver, cirrhosis liver. Next. Irregular margins. Splenomegaly. Next. Normal size of liver 16. Spleen can be up to 12. Next. Biopsy. Next. Kumbhakamala Chikitsa, Agni Deepanam, Amapajanam, Tikta Rasa Prayogam, then Madhura Rasa Prayogam, Srodo Sodhanam, Sopatram, Mutrala Prayogam, Ruksha Virejanam, Yakrut Vishesha Rasayanas and Aushadas, incorporate Pandu Chikitsa, Udara Chikitsa and Sopa Chikitsa. Next. Punarnavadi Kshayam, Tikta Rasam Sopatram, Puduchari, Tikta Rasam Samanam, Gokshuram Sadavari, Madhurarasam Mutralam, Haridagi, Nityameva Virete. Haridagi is Rasayanam also. So Rasayana Yukta Virejanam, 2 teaspoons with Ushna Jala. Ushna Jala is Vada Kapagara in nature and which is Pranam Avalambanam. In terminally ill patient, Ushna Jalam is very good. Next. 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 Salt is restricted. No improvement. Then he was admitted. Parallelly, we were ruling hepatitis A, hepatitis B, hepatitis C. Next. Wilson's disease. Next. Autoimmune hepatitis by ruling out LKM antibodies, anti-smooth muscle antibody, total IgG. Next. Anti-smooth muscle antibody, ceruloplasmin was taken to rule out Wilson's disease. He was admitted and this work is parallelly going on. Our Shastra Sampradaya Chikitsa is parallelly going on. Next. Anti-nuclear antibody negative. Next. Anti-mitochondrial antibody negative. Next. Alpha-fetoprotein slightly elevated. Next. Punarnavadi, Puduchari and Yoshadi Takram. Takram Prayogam with Manduram, Vrindaradam was started. Next. Some of the medicines from Siddha tradition, we also have Amarabhatram, Vrindaradam, Bhumi Amaragi, Bhogiraksham, Jeeragam. Next. Katoram, Mishrayam. Next. Neeli, Tiktarasam, Hapusham, Gulmandram. Next. This is the chart. Next. Water intake increased, urine output increased, abdominal central adiposity circumference, waist circumference came down. Next. Then Vasa Uduchadi was started. Next. Then there is a special prayoga by Damargavam, Kampillagam, Parivadram, Kaidiriam, Sharavungam. It is not in Vedatrais, by experience, by talking with the traditional Vaidyas. We have developed this compound for NASH cirrhosis. We can do Jimu and Asim if there is no esophageal varices and portal hypertension. Next, Dr. Omar has got a documented evidence for Jimu and Asim from Trivandrum Ayurveda College. Next. Then Kokilakshan issue. This contains one yoga. Next. Appetite improved, constipation relieved, water intake improved, urine output was 1 liter, it became 2 liters. Next. Uric acid was high as a part of metabolic syndrome. Alkaline phosphatase was high. Albumin should be greater than 3.5. There is hypoalbuminemia. Albumin is low. Next. Microalbumin very high. Next. 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 Prothrombin time stabilized. Next. Alpha beta protein became normal. Next. Next. Vitamin B12 was very low. Brahmin, vegetarian diet, low B12 corrected. Next. Amylase slightly elevated, not significant. Next. Alkaline phosphatase slowly coming down. Next. Next. Then Madhurasam started. All Tikta, Shodhana, Samsa, Ashtangalayam, Pandajisa was started. Mridvigali was started. Next. Next. There is reduction. Next. 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 B12. Next. 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 HbA1c stabilized. He was not diabetic, he was slightly high stabilized. Next. 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 We will see this, proceed further and then we will come back to this. Next. Next. We will see the report and then come back to the Shastra. Maybe next one. Next one. Next. Next. Chest X-ray. The pleural effusion gone. No significant abnormality. Next. Next. USG abdomen. Liver measures 15 centimeter. Mild course, no focal lesion, no intrahepatic radical deviation, portal vein 11 mm, hepatic flow. Next. NASH ascites, mild portioning, mild splenomegaly. Next. See the person. He was about to transplant, no transplant. The transplant cost is 70 lakhs. Our treatment cost is 40,000 rupees. In the 40,000 rupees, I got 10,000 rupees as my dakshina also. So he is alive, no problem. Every day it is happening. Every day. Next. Having ascites. Next. You go to the previous slides. Now we will see the Shastra Pada. Ascites is gone. Nityameva vireje. Next one. Next. From my experience, for obstruction, Pippali, Charavunga, Adurogini, Kadamachi, Yeranta Patram are very effective, which work on bile duct issues. Next. For fatty liver, Kailaria, Dandaraja, Guruchi, Bunimba, Haridra, Takram. It's very effective. Takravi Prayogam. Vada Kapahara Ruksham. Next. All the medicines that are used for Adhisnega Vyapat can be used for fatty liver. Fatty liver is a self-created Snega Vyapat. Self-created Snega Vyapat. Next. Antiviral Padolam. Alcoholic Padolam, Chandanam, Guruchi, Harindra, Nidini, Sharamuka, Gari Harindra. Next. Samana nature. Paribadra, Madayantiga, Yeshtimalu, Punarnava, alcoholic liver disease. Next. Hypoproteinemia, Prayandiadi, from Antarvidradi Chikisa, Punarnava, Sopagra. Next. Gudavipari, summary. Gudavipari reduces alpha-fetoprotein without portal hypertension. Padola Padoliniadi, Antarvian. Reduces SCPT-OT within 10 days. Drakshadi, soils in liver disease maintenance. Vasa Gurujari, reduces SCPT-OT in 15 days. Brindarajam, very good supplement for NASH. Trayandyadi, reduces itching in obstructive jaundice. Drakshadi, reduces gamma-glutamic transcriptase in alcoholic liver disease. Brigadyadi Paniyam, Larubanjamulam, useful in portal hypertension. Next. Some of the conclusions. Koshta Shakasrada Kamala, hepatocellular jaundice, hepatoma, viral hepatitis, Wilson's disease, Swasthana se dosha dosha samorchanam, Pittam and Raktam in Yakrit, Tikkarasa Prayoga Chikisa, Ruttabala Kamala, Samayottam Prayogena Sugama Koshtamame, Kadurasa Prayoga Chikisa, Trigadu, Kukuramansa, Kulatta, Mulaga, told in Antarya, Kumbhakamala, ascites, portal hypertension, maybe due to cryptogenic. Most of the cryptogenic are now due to NASH. Halimata, hepatic encephalopathy, Banaki, chronic hepatitis, Udam, ascites with various portal hypertension. Except few Udaras, all Udaras, there are references about portal hypertension. Ekrit Vidrati, amoebic liver abscess. Next. 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 Previous slide. Next one. Next one. 1 minute. The beauty is no free fluid in the abdomen. The ascites is reversed. Ascites is reversed. By Narayana Churna, Nityameva Ruksha Virejana. First he had ascites. Many people think only in decompensated cirrhosis where there is hepatic encephalopathy like B feature, it is very difficult. Otherwise, we can admit the case and manage it successfully. Next. 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 Now there is an interview which is not needed. Next one we will see. Next. 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 We will see how we manage stroke. Many people think stroke means immediately we have to take it to allopathic hospital, Ayurveda. It's a lifestyle disorders, uncontrolled diabetes, uncontrolled hypertension, smoking, alcohol, heart problem, atherosclerosis, coronary atherosclerosis. These are all the causes. Hyperhomocysteine, you know that very well. Next. All these infarction are Vada Kapha in nature. These Kashaya is having all Vada Kapha Kashayas. Ashtavargam, Bhadradarvadi, Dhananayanadi, Rasonadi, Gandharastadi, Mahakala Atmavukta. Ashtavargam. See, Rasna Saptagam is Vada Kapagara in nature having Trikasthana Visesha. Psychology. Rasna Panjagam Vada Kapagaram Dhatu Visesha. Osteoporosis. Varunadi Vada Kapagaram Ushnam Muktra Marga Visesha. Hydronephrosis. BPH. Sukumaram Vada Kapagaram Ushnam Pumsavana Visesha. Trinamanjamulam. So Saptasaram Vada Kapagaram Ushnam Yoni Visesha. So all are Vada Kapagaram, but there is a sthana. They tell a sthana. But in Ashtavargam and Bhadradarvadi of Arthani Hridayam Sutrasthana, it is told by Susuda in Aksheva of Vada, the sthana is not mentioned. When you select the medicine, दोष प्रत्यनीकम व्याधि प्रत्यनीकम उभय प्रत्यनीकम मुख्य द्रव्य विशेषत्वम स्थान विशेषत्वम प्रकरण विशेषत्वम must be there because I am surrounded by students. 19 students are there. When I read Rasana Saptakam, they ask me, sir, why did you write this? He is a Stuladehi, he is having Kadigraha, Avalambakastha, Kapasthana, there is Vada Vriddhi, Kapam is Sida, Vadam is Sida, Ushnam has to be given, Rasana is Vada Kapakara in nature, Bala is Vada Pittahara in nature. So I have selected Rasana Saptakam in this condition, my dear student, I have to tell you. The students know how to ask questions. They ask questions all the time. So we have to answer that. So in every step I have to answer. So the Ashtavargam, there is no sthanam. Bala Jagadara, Eranda, Sundhirasana, Suladramam, Sindhuvaram, Rachuna. Ashtavargo, Anilapaka. So Sarpadeka Visheshatvam, Ashtavargam can be given. Only Bala is Madhurarasam. All are, you see, beautiful. Science is very beautiful. Bala is Vadagaram, Rasana is Vadagaram. Madhurarasam, Madhura Vivagam, Shidaviyam, Snigdha Gunam, Bala. In Krishadevi, Bala. Tikta Kadarasam, Ushnaviyam, Kapanubandhavadam, Stuladevi, Rasana. Avaranam, Rasana. Sadhukshayam, Bala. Krishadevi, Bala. Stuladevi, Rasana. Yellamman, Bala. Yuyamman, Rasana. Avaranam, Dadukshayam. We start with Kadurasa and end with Madhurarasa. That is treatment in Bala. Next. Then Sakataradi Dailam, Dhanvantara Dailam, Ksheerabala Dailam. Again, Dhanvantaram and Ksheerabala are Madhurarasa. You have to select study like that. Vidaryadi, Dhanvantaram. Both are Madhurashidam. But Phalashruti of Vidaryadi is above Navi. The Phalashruti of Dhanvantaram is below Navi. But both are Madhurarasam, Madhura Vibhagam, Shidaviyam, Snigdhavana in nature. Next. Rasonarivadi, Rasonam, Paravi, Krishna, Sthira, Avaranagna Ushadam. Next. 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 Udvartana. We will be doing Udvartana. Next. Tripalapurna, Polavattadi, all Vada, Kapahara, Ushadas are selected for Udvartana. If it is diabetic neuropathy, we will be selecting Yeradi Churnam for Udvartana. Stuladevi, Adappadadi we will be selecting. Vadapyadi, Polavattadi we will be selecting. Next. All Ushna Vijayataila, Kushamushti, Ushna. Karpa Satyadi, Ushna Brahmana. Next. Sumara Eranda. Snigdha Virejana, Mridhu Virejana with milk. Next. Shirodhara. Next. Next. Rasayana, Lachuna Rasayana. But in hemorrhagic stroke, when there is consciousness, next, we directly go for Ksheeravasti. Even though Pakshavade Virejanam is there, he cannot undergo the protocol. We have to go for Ksheeravasti directly, repeatedly, maintaining the BP around 160-100. When he can take Tiktarasam Pakshavadaganam, the Mahamandishtari is having Pakshavala Phalashruti, Drakshadi, Mridvigadi, Dhanvantaram, etc. Tiktam and ending with Madhura, Dhanvantaram, Vidaryadi. Next, Purtoka Rakta Pitta Harjisa, Udiga, Chandraprabha, Siddhavartha. Next, Panchara Vinda, Attanavim Rasayana Praranam. Next, Thala, Jaladhara, Shirodhara. Next. Next. Udvartana with Jeevantyadi, Polavattadi. Next. All Pitavada Samana Dailas. There we selected Kottavipadi, Ushna Galadailas. Vadasini. Pittasamana, Narayana Dailam. 50% is Sadavari, Madhurashidam, Pittanavandavadam, Ksheerabala, Bala, Ksheeram, Madhurarasam, Pittasamana, Pittadailam, Pittanavandam, Mahanarayanam, Pittanavandam. So we are selecting Vadagana Aushadas which work on Pittanavandavada. Next. Then Ksheeravasti is done repeatedly. Next. 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 Ksheeravadara. Next. Page straight. Next. 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 stroke. Next. 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 High urea. See this infarction. Same treatment is given. We have a video, there is no time. And I have to present other cases, other systems also. Most of the cases respond very well. My dear doctors, since 22 years I am treating, around 7 lakh cases I have treated. I will tell you the next summary now, hearing very patiently, very carefully. Some stroke recover. Some stroke do not recover in Ayurveda. This is an important question to be answered today or tomorrow. In the last 22 years of my practice, what I have observed, I am going to tell you. Next. Go to that experience. Next. If the lesion is in the cerebral hemisphere, if there is impairment of mental function, except language, recovery is good with Ayurveda. Alteration in consciousness can be regained except in acute hemorrhage. Seizures during stroke, near complete recovery. Abnormal speech and language, motor dysarthria, Broca's dysarthria, 70% recovery. Global aphasia, area number 4, area number 21, Broca's area, Wernicke's area, no recovery. Wernicke's aphasia, area number 21, sensory aphasia with Ayurvedic treatment, up to step 2 recovery. Hemiplegia, except fine movements, there is recovery. Apraxia, 60% recovery. Agnosia, 60% recovery within 6 months. Next. Frontal lobe. If you get a lesion of frontal lobe, admit. Even the treatment is average, there will be recovery, you will get the credit. When you get a posterior circulation stroke, posterior inferior cerebral artery occlusion or pica or frontal lobe stroke, admit the case and tell there will be recovery. Definitely there will be recovery. Apathy, full recovery. Lack of initiative, full recovery. Social behavior, partial recovery. Memory, 30% recovery. Fecal incontinence, 60% recovery. Urine incontinence, 30% recovery in frontal lobe. Next. The non-dominant side, dressing difficulty, no recovery. Temporal lobe dominant dysphasia, 40% recovery. Occipital lobe, 70% recovery. Next. Detailed notes I will give to the college. I have given the article to Souvenir also. Basal ganglia, abnormal movements of jaw, bradykinesia, rigidity. 6 months, 80% recovery, except finer movements we can give. Cerebellum, amazing recovery. Dysarthria, ataxia, weight changes, posterior circulation stroke, the recovery is very good. Brainstem, if you can manage the case with little modern facilities, you can manage quadriplegia, crossed hemiplegia with or without sensory deficit. I have not seen recovery. In pseudobulbar palsy, dysarthria, dysphonia, dysphagia, which looks like our Jigva stambam, no recovery. Next. Cranial nerve, first nerve, I have not seen in stroke. Optic, I have seen. Diplopia, squint, very rare, no recovery in diplopia. Facial nerve, everybody would have seen 80% recovery in UMN, facial palsy. Everybody would have seen. Next. Ipsilateral cranial paralysis with the contralateral hemiplegia with Lemon palsy, you would have seen. Vestibular cochlea, 80% recovery. All these things I have given. Next. Then motor system, sensory system, full recovery. Meninges, full recovery. Next. Sphincter disturbance, retention capable, incontinence difficult. Autonomic nervous system, syncope, full recovery. Constipation, diarrhea, partial recovery. Next. So when the stroke enters, within 3 minutes, sir, within 3 minutes, you can tell, you can write and give what recover, what do not recover, how much recover. Within 2 minutes you can tell. Write and give. It will happen within 20 minutes. It will happen. So it is like mathematics. Ayurveda is equal to Mula Siddhanta plus common sense. Common sense is Yukti. Mula Siddhanta is our dosha vikalpa. Without the dosha guna, Vada is a name given to group of gunas. Pitta is a name given to group of gunas. It is the guna that is ultimate. Now with the last session, sir, Alzheimer's disease, the 5 minutes only. Okay, Alzheimer's disease, then I will finish it.